Best Protein Shaker Bottle Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular shaker bottles in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this shaker bottle so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this bottle. The one that made our list is the Helimix Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle. Now you can forget the days of looking for your wire shaker ball and buying shaker ball replacements, because the Helimix uses a patented vortex blender design that doesn't require anything but a few good shakes. This also means you don't have to worry about a clogged or dirty shaker ball ruining your protein shake. The patented vortex design allows for optimal mixing of any powder supplement, and the bottle is made with Tritan Plastic, which makes the cup odor resistant so you don't have to gag down your sports drinks. This Tritan Plastic is 100% BPA-free to make sure your supplements stay clean. This bottle is durable and easy to clean. The Tritan Plastic is shatterproof, so once your workout is done, just throw it in your dishwasher for a quick and easy clean. To check out the full specs of the Helimix Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestproteinshaker. Here's a quick video of how easy it is to use this blender bottle.
Just wanted to explain to you what makes Helimix better than the competition. When you shake this product up and down, the ingredients, when they're shaken up, they're rotating towards the top of the beverage container here. You shake it back down, they rotate the opposite direction. You do that repeatedly, and the ingredients are going to continue to reverse their rotation as you're shaking up and down. This generates more disturbance inside this container as opposed to the others. So as a result, you don't need any wire balls, no screens, nothing that's going to get tangled in the dishwasher racks, nothing that's going to get lost in your cupboard.
So there you have it, the Helimix Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this bottle is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Helimix Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestproteinshaker. Alright, thank you for watching.